Today I am reviewing the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping floors clean can feel like a never-ending battle. If you have pets that shed constantly, kids running in and out, or just a busy schedule, it feels like the moment you put the broom away, a new layer of dust and hair appears. Traditional vacuuming takes up valuable time, and regular robot vacuums can be frustrating when they randomly bounce off walls or get stuck on a rug. That is why the XIEBro E8S robot vacuum and mop combo is such an interesting entry into the smart home market. It promises a hands-free, deep cleaning experience by combining massive suction power with systematic navigation, all at a price point that makes sense. After looking closely at what this machine can do, it is clear that XIEBro packed a ton of premium features into a very sleek, user-friendly design. Let us start with the headline feature, which is the sheer raw power of this vacuum. The E8S delivers a massive 6,500 pascals of hurricane-level suction power. To put that in perspective, many standard robot vacuums cruise around at 1,500 to 2,000 pascals. 6,500 is an incredible amount of force. It means this machine doesn't just skim the surface. It pulls up heavy debris, fine dust, and deeply embedded pet hair from the fibers of your carpets and the cracks of your hardwood floors. What makes this power actually usable is the flexibility it offers. It features 4 distinct suction modes that you can adjust based on your needs. There is Eco mode at 800 pascals, which is ultra-quiet and perfect for daily maintenance dust. Then you have Standard mode at 1,600 pascals, Strong mode at 3,000 pascals, and finally Ultra mode, which unlocks the full 6,500 pascals for heavy-duty messes. Plus, it has an automatic carpet boost feature, so when it rolls from a smooth tile floor onto a rug, it senses the change and cranks up the power automatically to ensure the carpet gets a deep down clean. But raw power doesn't mean much if the robot just spins in circles or gets lost under your sofa. Older generations of robot vacuums used random collision mapping, meaning they just bumped around until the battery died. The XIEBro E8S completely fixes that issue with an upgraded built-in gyroscope and inertial navigation system. This allows the vacuum to map your home logically and follow a precise, orderly, zigzag cleaning path. It knows exactly where it has been and where it still needs to go, which ensures much better coverage and eliminates skipped spots. It is also equipped with a full suite of infrared sensors that act like its eyes. These sensors accurately detect walls, furniture, and stairs, completely preventing the vacuum from slamming into your decor or tumbling down a flight of steps. If you have transition strips or low-pile rugs, its 15-degree climbing ability allows it to effortlessly roll over those obstacles without getting stuck. Another huge benefit is that this is a true 2-in-1 machine. It vacuums and mops simultaneously. It features a large 300 milliliter dustbin to hold plenty of dry debris and pet hair, alongside a 200 milliliter precision water tank. The water tank uses an intelligent electronic control system to distribute moisture evenly across your hard floors, ensuring you don't get dangerous puddles on your hardwood. You can easily adjust the water flow level through the app to match how dirty your floors are, giving you total control over both dry and wet cleaning scenarios. When it comes to endurance, the E8S is a marathon runner. It features a powerful 2,600 mAh lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 200 minutes of continuous runtime in Eco mode. That is over 3 hours of cleaning on a single charge, allowing it to cover up to 1,290 square feet easily. Even if you run it on standard or turbo modes, you get between 90 and 100 minutes of hard work. When the battery drops below 15%, or when it finishes its cleaning route, the smart system automatically guides the robot back to its charging dock. One small, brilliant design detail is the addition of a dedicated physical side switch. This switch is designed to protect the battery and extend its overall lifespan when the vacuum is sitting idle for long periods. Just remember a quick tip for first-time setup. You will want to press that physical side button first, and then press the main power button to get things moving. Controlling the XIEBro E8S is incredibly convenient, offering multiple ways to manage your cleaning depending on your tech preferences. It is fully compatible with the Tuya Smart app, which gives you a clean, intuitive interface to customize your cleaning paths set schedules, switch between vacuuming and mopping, and monitor the battery level. If you prefer a smart home setup, you can link it to Google Assistant for full voice commands. You can literally sit on the couch and say, "Google, tell the vacuum to clean," and it goes to work. And if you want to keep things simple, or if you are setting this up for parents or seniors who do not like dealing with smartphone apps, XIEBro includes a fully functional physical remote control right in the box. Anyone can master it in seconds. You can easily toggle between the 3 built-in cleaning modes, which are zigzag clean for full rooms, spot clean for concentrated messes, and edge clean for getting right up against the baseboards where dust bunnies love to hide. When you open the box, you get everything you need to hit the ground running. It comes with the E8S vacuum robot, the charging base, the power adapter, the water tank and dust bin modules, a total of 4 side brushes so you have spares, the remote control with batteries included, and a clear user manual. XIEBro also backs it with expert customer support and a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Ultimately, if you want to take back your weekends and stop pushing a heavy vacuum around, the XIEBro E8S is a fantastic, high-powered solution that takes care of the dirty work for you.